difficulties. Hmm. It it's trying. I thought it was broken, but it's trying. It goes and then no coffee comes out. it's the little pod thing. It just looks like it's blocking all the water and it's not working properly. Like it's defective or something. The pod. Hmm. My coffee cup is half filled. It looks very full of coffee grounds. I'm gonna go give it a few more. Few more times. Found a method for my broken coffee pod. If I turn on the machine and then go like with the lid, it goes so a little drizzle of coffee now. Look at this thing. It's like you can't really see inside it, but okay, it's it's like drained of coffee grounds. So something went wrong with this. half full coffee cup with coffee grounds. Mm. Hmm. Not much I can do about the coffee grounds. I don't have like a filter or something. So, my coffee has a lot of sugar for how much was made, a lot of cream for how much was made, and a lot of bean. Coffee bean. Alright, well, it's an image on pull request. I didn't even see that yesterday. Well, I hope that works. Works out for me. So, oh yeah. It's a nice day to program. Missing my coffee. It's okay. It's not as bad as I thought, honestly. But it's kind of cold for some reason. Yeah, why don't I merge this? It kind of sucks. Do we have any new map fixes? Not since Florenza. Okay. Any of them since Florenza are um um making the data go and it doesn't know about the data anymore. Brain? Hello, Brain? I'll be right back. What did I just say? It doesn't know about the data anymore. The asset version gets out of date. And it will try to load an old version. Well, no. If the feature to load specific versions existed, it would try to load an old version, but I guess it doesn't actually matter right now because nothing is implemented. But the data would stay out of date unless another mapfix came up. So I have to like make it maintain the data properly. Think. Think. Okay, merge, right? Okay. So this will... Let's look at the code. Nice. 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 That's not it. That clan. Unlucky. Okay, this is the code. So it gets the modes, count modes. And if it's U32, it's not allowed. And then it runs this script specifically this script. All it does is get the version and return it. That's it. There's no way to get that except running a script. So, that good one, Roblox. So then it has to make the session, has to handle all the freaking errors that can happen when running a script. And then it has to check to make sure the model hasn't updated again. And then, because like the script it takes a while to execute, so some stuff might have happened in the meantime. So if the model version before and after is the same, then that means that the other version that we got is the one that corresponds to the external version. There's an internal version and an external version. The external version is like 1, 2, 3. The internal version is like 4, 7, 5, not 1, 1, 9. It's like just a random number. And there's no way to correlate to the two other than wrapping it like this, where I update the model, check which version it was updated to, fetch the asset version for the model, whatever it is right now. Maybe it was updated again, but we don't know yet. And then fetch the incremental version, the external version again, and make sure it matches and it wasn't updated in the meantime. And then we know that the load asset version directly corresponds to the external incremental version. The load asset version is the internal version. Okay, and then it can directly update the map with the information that it got, notably the asset version and the modes. And that is the maintenance. That's the stream title, the metadata maintenance that needs to happen. This is maintaining that data. So calculating this data, oh my god. Okay. Good. Do it. Yep. To staging, please. Yep. Okay. So now, it breaks everything for sure, definitely. Oh, that doesn't look very appetizing. I can taste the coffee grounds, or I can feel the texture. It's not actually that bad. I thought it'd be horrible and like bitter and like crunchy or something. It's just kind of like particulate, like pulpy orange juice or something. Not horrible. It's like, I would prefer not, you know, but it's not horrible. Where's my maps lists? type situation. Is it down here? No. This guy. So this is done. Um, 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 okay, I actually have to write code now. Damn it. Okay. Why damn it? That's like exactly what you want to do. Why are you saying damn it? Maybe because I was chilling and I got lock in. Alright, so upload. Oh. Maybe it'll still work. Let's say service. Is it there? It must be here. Okay, so submissions. Oh, is it here? Releaser? Oh, no, that's not it. Huh? It's in the web API? Submissions. Huh? Oh yeah, it's right here. Release submissions. So. Ooh. So I send a list of release info. Release info is just this submission, release it on this release date. That's it. All it does. It's just a list of that map, that date. This map, that date. That map, that date. That's it. Map date, map date, map date, map date. Oh, it's hot! Nice breezes. Not a cool breeze, but there's a breeze nonetheless. What happened to the music? I see. We're in the between times. Big bean chunk. Is that plastic? No, that's a bean chunk. Bean chunk. Not actually. It's like it tastes like not much. Not much. Okay, so it directly gets a list of submissions. Checksum. And this is like okay to redo because it's oh. It the ID is already created. So if it tries to create the same ID again, it'll break, which okay. Update each status. Right. So make map, release map. Gobble D. Okay. Where's some? Oh, wait, what? Wait. Oh. Oh, it's just the same index. Okay. Um. Check this first. Okay, so the question is it okay for this to fail at any point? Oh, this is... I wonder if the old JavaScript prevents you from pressing the button again if the request is still in flight. That would be nice. Probably not. So problem here. This is release submissions multiple. Which makes sense. Show. Look right here. I'm missing these values here. This is the problem. Okay, I think I've got it. Oh. Well, that's unlucky. So you can only run 5 scripts per minute. So if there's like 20 maps to submit, I'm just SOL. Totally can't do it. Gotta wait 4 minutes for them to release. That's abysmal. That's stupid. Okay, I think I have to rethink this whole thing. I didn't want to do it, but I think the play... I was going to say write the data. I guess I can do it way earlier. It doesn't have to be on upload. No, it does have to be on upload. Because the asset version... This sucks. Wow, this sucks. Alright, did this finish? Yes. Okay. So if we go to the staging version of the website, and actually run a mapfix. I guess I do my Goober mapfix. Hello? Oh, it's here. Okay, mapfix. Whoa. So I go like, ooh. Oh, I can't even do it myself. Okay. Submit mapfix. Help. Aether. Aether. So we'll do this one. Test. Ooh. Juicer. Okay. Okay. Under review. I should probably make a way for me to test by myself. Gosh. Okay, so I guess I stop here. Right. It's because of that rate limit. Why is this so low? Batch. Oh, it's doable. I don't have to run one map per submission. I can batch them. It kind of sucks for the validator, but can you download a bunch of? I think you can. You just do it. You can just do like 20, and it's like, yep. Okay, that's actually hurdle cleared. I'm gonna write that down because that's important. Batch load asset version for submissions. Oof. Oh. How is the day going so far? I just started. I have created work for myself. I didn't need to do this before. But then I figured out that this is better than the way I'm doing it. So now I gotta do that. Holy smokes, it is hot. gonna give this a quick zap. Beep. Okay. Okay, my fix has been. Oh. Okay, so for map fixes, the rate limit is okay because map fixes are sort of like one every day or so. But for submissions, I guess we could change it to be like over time. Okay, it is validated. Okay, so I need to we inspect. Failed to load data. Okay. Okay, so we got the API, map test front end, public API, validator. So we're looking at the logs of the validator. Validator logs. Okay, so what? Okay, so upload mapfix. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so it's either going to throw an error and then wait, does it print it? Wait, message handler, huh? Oh, it does. Okay. So it will print the error. If there is an error. Okay. Here we go. My test is my test. Okay, so I guess I should check the data as well. All right. So we're gonna duplicate this. We're gonna go to API maps, boom, and it'll be like, wait, it has. Okay, so this should change, and this should not change. Okay, upload 307. Oh my god, upload. We're watching. Create session response details URL HTTPS cannot be domain API rolex.com. Okay, I know what the problem was. Permission denied. Okay. I forgot to do everything that I need to do. Yeah, I just didn't do it. Oh my god. Did it like have to do it again? Okay. I needed to make it so I could do this by myself. But that's also more work. Oh, why didn't I think? Okay, well, let's go do that. Is that stage? How the hell does this work? Develop. Okay, so that's deploy. What is this again? What is it for? Meow. That's in the main. Wow. Excuse me. Okay, so Urbix API key. Download models through the cloud API. Download models. What? What? Are you telling me this isn't gonna work? Okay, what's the freaking I know Adventure V2 is one of the maps with the thumbnail. If I click this button, okay. So one is it's one is I am very confused. Why Okay, are you telling me that there's no API key for model download? Okay, what does the git blame look like? 4 months ago, who did this? Switch to cloud API where possible. Huh? Oh goodness. Oh, cloud. Oh, it was this. Okay. Oh, I know why. You're not allowed to download models through the group cloud API. Wow, okay, so it's a Roblox limitation that led me to make the API key on an account. Wild, wild, wild. Okay, wow. So I have to scatter my API keys because of a Roblox limitation, and that was confusing me a lot. Okay. 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 I can make progress. Um. God. God damn it. Okay. I want to make progress. So. I was astonished that in the list of API keys, there was none that the one that I was using here was not there, and I was like, what? Okay, so I'm looking for StraceNet CI 3, and then I go to Clown API, and boom, we got model download. Let's go. And then I was just gonna extend this with the execute. Boom. Execution sessions. That's so weirdly named. Experience. Ah, I cannot. I'm not allowed to. Okay. Thank you, Roblox. I literally need an entirely separate API key to do this. Take a sip. Begin the plumbing. Great pain. Why do they... Roblox works in mysterious ways. Okay. Oh, look. Okay. I'm going to add that note so that I know what's going on here. Okay. So this is not. This is Luau execution cloud API. Wee woo, wee woo. Execution. Execution. Can you star service? Alright, so this gets blapped into here. Cookie. Boom. Let's go. Can you tell how excited I am that Roblox is artificially limiting what's going on? If you're not running into artificial limitations, are you really using Roblox? Why is this okay? That's fine. Okay. Gob. Did I get it right? What? Oh, it doesn't have a ding dong. Okay. Wait, no, it does. Oh, it's trolling. Okay, it's trolling. It's trolling. Okay, so then we can go to the actual place it's used. Used? Did I really say used? And then paste this, and that's it. Oh. Almost died. Okay. Why? Shut up. It's fine. Really? What's it called? What is this maps? Oh jeez. Okay, first clean. Oops. Really? Oh, did I mess it up? No. Did I forget to save? What? Oh, this is an old comment. Oh my god. Okay, it's trolling me. Cool. Okay, nice troll. Okay, so now it expects a different API key. I love having to use 3 different API keys just to accomplish everything I need from Roblox. Oh, I love it when the APIs are all split and scattered. I have to like grasp at various things to get things done. Oh my god, I love it. That was a crash out. Okay. So I'll go to API keys, create API key. Gonna need to add the IPs. Ooh, I love it when I can't copy anything. Ooh, Roblox. Ooh, inspect element. God damn, man. Okay, did you actually? Okay, so I can copy from this wonderful code here. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to copy into a notepad. Oh, it's actually a mouse pad. I ain't using Windows. I don't get the bliss of using mousepad or notepad. Oh man, this sucks. Okay. I have like a small window. Oh my god. Okay, is this one expand? This sucks. Why can't I just copy the text? Like Roblox. Man. SVG. What do you mean SVG? Oh, it's the X button. Okay, next. Inline flex. But of course. Ah. Of course. Copy the IP. SVG. Okay, there it is. This sucks. I don't know if I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, that's the IPs. Okay, oh my god. Okay. Now I'm creating a new API key. Luau execution. Wee woo. Luau execution. Select an experience. What kind of experience would you like to have? Okay. And then, yes, please IPs. IPPI. Yeah. Okay, we got those IPs. Did SNM ever explain to me how to add API keys? Go away. Let's look for examples here. Whatever, okay. Wait, isn't that the same? Oh. base prod. One. Why does it need that if it's just the same? God damn it. Okay. Okay, I have to juggle a bunch of stuff in my head. Should I close this project? Can you close? Oh, you can. Close. You're done. You're done. Project complete. Big up. Okay. This is gonna take a while. Model asset download the existing API key. Is attached to a particular Roblox account. Strafes net CI2 strafes net CI3 exist which is required to use the asset download what is it, a namespace access permission to permit this new API key is a group which is required to permit luau execution to the group place. experience. Used as the well, execution runtime environment. The new API key. Okay. You ain't running into arbitrary limitations. Blocks. Why don't I actually comment that? CI 2 account group. Meant which keys are where. Scattered. Actually just scattered. Wow, that's a pretty personal joke. I guess French people get it. I made a typo. Why did I laugh so prominently? I typoed clé instead of key. And I was like, oh, it's still key. Yep. Okay. What? 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 Time to write code. No problem. Oh baga baga baga. Abaga. Okay. Yeah, hell yeah. Okay, we know new API key. Okay, validator. Um um dedicated API key for the execution. Let's go. This sucks. Oh, no. Whoa. What if I make this into one function? That's actually a pretty juiced idea. I'm gonna do that. I could just call this get 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 get. I don't know. Wait, there's no error? Huh? Oh, because it's like a super error. Alright, I give up. Wow, there's so much extra work to do because of this one arbitrary limitation. Oh. That's what I need to do this week because we need the version number and the mods to keep them up to date. I just merged it to staging already. That's right. That's right. Just one thing, man. I just want the number. Give me the number. Let me no load using the number, and everything is fine. I don't need to add all this crap. My God. I need a plan. There's way too much going on. Okay, I think I start at the bottom. I start here. So boom, I'm working on this. So add this garbage and God, I need to freaking migrate it as well. Oh, it's so tragic. Is it even the same stuff? Metadata maintenance? It's a new step. So this is mapfix release type business, and it's based on this one. I'm gonna have to revisit as I discover issues and oh. 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 Oh my god, this could take so long. Okay, we have submission. Why did I not see it? Okay. I have to. 11. Status. Please. Releasing. You're so quiet. I want this to be 10 and then this is 11, but. Ugh. This sucks big time. Oh wow, I almost let that slide. So see how it goes 8, 11, 10? It doesn't actually matter. They don't have to increase. Okay, what do I have to do? So I have to take maps that are uploaded and set them to released. Only map fixes. Submissions, if I do it like this, then I don't need to migrate submissions. So I have to write a migration. But the question is, how much do I care about this being 10 and this being 11? Do I write 2 migrations, 3 migrations instead of, oh my god. Instant death. This sucks so much. Right. I was thinking like, why can't I do it ahead of time? It's because it has to come from the uploaded model. So it has to be after the upload step, which is why I'm adding a release step, is because I can't upload them. I can't like click upload and then it uploads the model and then it tries to get the model ID using the Luau API and then fail and then roll back to before it uploaded the model and then upload it again when you press upload. It can't do that. It's already uploaded. It has to finish uploading, go success, and then there has to be another step, the like release step. That's what it is. That fails, and it goes back to uploaded, and not before uploaded. So Insanity. Insanity. Okay, is this a migration? How do you know? How do you use that? How do you do migration? Gore migration. Is there like IDs like auto migrate? What about I don't think I want to do this. I think I want to have an endpoint and call it. Oh, I'm gonna die. This is so annoying. Why didn't I realize that I needed a releasing point? Like, it's in every other step. Look at this. Submitting, submitted. Validating, validated. Uploading, uploaded. Why didn't I realize I need releasing? And then released. Ugh. F. Freaking sounds so much like a Shack Attack. Alright, we need this goober, we need this goober. Am I stupid? Maybe. What? Is this freaking unused, man? It is. It's not real. Okay. Backend. I want to call this backend. New statuses for mapfix and submission. Stub mission. What's the Surf Roblox game called? Surf. It's literally called just Surf. Is this part of that? Back in. Tweak status sets to reflect new statuses. Ooh, new statuses. Ooh. Oh, man, this is grueling. Roblox is making me jump through so many hoops. Well, I also made a mistake with how it's designed. Here. There it is. It's Surf. Got it. Oh. Wait a second. Create rate limit. Could I mean, I could rate limit map fixes, but whatever. I'll just make it fail. It's whatever. Oh. Man, there's so many moving parts, so many things to keep track of. And I have no type safety. I just have to somehow hold my own hand in real time. Maybe I need like sustenance or something. Oh my god. Coffee is like a appetite suppression suppressant, isn't it? Okay, let's see. I have to write a thing, button on the button website to push the button, API endpoint nets Oh, I have to do. It has to go through the entire system. Oh. Oh. Let's do this guy. Oh no, that's the wrong one. This guy. Mapfix Operation Gabagoo. So submissions are bulk release. Mapfixes are individual release. The validator. Okay, it's bulk release at all stages for submissions, individual release at all stages for mapfixes. So I just have to just get to work. Like there's just so much to do. God. Okay. Mapfix first, then. Okay, so is this stuff here? Okay, how do I do this? What's going on? So I have to press a button. Trigger. Yeah, trigger. Is it upload? Trigger upload. Okay, boom. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this goob and paste it again, and then we're done-ish. Trigger release. For sure, for real. Release. And then reset, releasing, god dang it, upload. Huh? Huh? Okay, it's something. Let's review. Trigger release. This is a endpoint where you click a button that says release, and that triggers the release. And then it goes, oh, I've been uploaded. Now I'm releasing. And then that sends a NAT signal to the validator. The validator grabs the map. It parses the map. It writes the did. I don't need anything on the back end, well, except for the endpoint and the NATs and everything. And it edits the data. Edits? Yes, it edits the data. Good. Okay, what's this? This is reset releasing. What does that do? It's not admin. Well, it is an admin, actually. Is it admin? Okay, wait. This is actually roll map. What? Who has the roles? Huh? Help model roles. Mapfix upload. And release no different. Okay. Okay. Role mapfix upload. Give me that. Help. Where is it? It's right here. Role admin. No. Trigger upload. Request change. Okay. Row. Mapfix upload. You can upload the mapfix, and that's the same as release. Good enough. Yes. Okay. Uploaded to releasing. Resets up. Releasing. Sublock releasing. Good documentation check. Mapfix uploaded. We're gonna go back to yeah. Okay. Good. Next, we go to submissions and do the same thing. This is, I think this is a good place to start because it's like kind of a high-level overview. The skeleton, the joints of the feature, I guess. It has to go through here to get to there. Reset validating. We want. Yeah, okay, so there's release submissions. And then you can only individually reset. Boom. Releasing. Release. Okay, roll. Admin. Real? Admin. Submission release? Huh? Is that real? What roles are there? Submission, upload, submission, release. Interesting. Why would it be any different? It's not right now. Do I waste a role? Do I remove a role? Okay. Submission release. Apparently it's a different role. So reset uploading, trigger upload. This is actually submission upload. Meow. Release. Okay. Woo. And then. No. Releasing. Uploaded. Sets. Releasing. Soft lock. And change the status from releasing to uploaded. Ooey. Okay. Okay. Open API. Add new status endpoints. Gobble these. And then go generate. And that does whatever it does. Oh, help. And then that's good. That's good. Okay. Open API. Generate. Yeah. Okay, good. And then good. And then I broke everything. Whew, okay. This is good. This is wait, did I do it wrong? Oh, this is the same file. Action mapfix uploaded. Cool, cool. This is a stupid function name. Absolutely abysmal. Okay. So I broke everything. Yes, okay. What? Oh my god. Okay. I don't like this. Okay. Okay. It doesn't matter. Stop looking at it. Okay. Here's the math fixes right now. I have to implement the math fixes endpoint. Zen point. Okay. So we're looking for reset uploading. Wah. Reset uploading. Gobble damn it. Okay. Where wait, trigger upload, reset uploading. Insane. Okay. Trigger upload, reset uploading. So I add a new. Why is this down here? Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Trigger. Surely. Oh God. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2. Okay. Trigger. Release. Why did I name one of them good and the other one stupid? Okay, gobble. That's wrong. Not okay. Okay, we're gonna trigger mapfix trigger release. Is this is it? Trigger release. Go. Wow. Okay. And then where's the other one? Oh my god. Reset releasing mapfix. Boom. Okay, it's right here. Surely. Action mapfix uploaded. Hey, okay, has mapfix upload. Okay, why would it be a different permission? Just use it. It's fine. Ugh. Nights over Egypt. Banger. Audit event data action. Mapfix status releasing. Wow. And then mapfix status. Uploaded. So if it's uploaded, change it to releasing. Boom. Done. Got it. Okay. Nats. Release mapfix. Do we even care? I don't think we care what the idea is. I don't think we need anything, so cool. Okay. Ugh. Action. Surely. Target status. Surely. Okay. I think that does it. So now I need the internet's dingus dongus. Okay, next. Mapfix upload reset releasing, huh? And then it does this. If you have the role, it doesn't have the role, that's good, then it's good. If you don't have user ID, then get out of here. Get mapfix. Check when mapfix. Okay, this is just like. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay. So delay reset. Okay. We want this. Good. Nice. Good. And then status. Target status is uploaded. And then when the status is releasing. And then that's it. That's it. Amazing. Incredible. Okay. There it is for map fixes. Yeah. Except for this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's part 1. Part 2 is same thing for this guy. Uploading. Trigger upload, reset uploading. Exact same thing going on here. Except we don't trigger. We don't get triggered. It's only release submissions and babitions. Oh. Mapfix. Uploaded. Reset. Ooh, okay. That's it, right? And then what? Why did you do that? Action. Submission uploaded. And then okay. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay, this is actually release. Good. Delay reset, good. Validated. No. This is target size is uploaded. And then releasing new. Okay, and then we so the release code is moved to validator controller. The submission release code is moved to the validator. So what? So here's what used to happen. It went like, I call the release submissions endpoint. It just goes and it's done on the back end. But now what needs to happen is I call the release submissions endpoint. It checks them ahead of time, and then it fires off a batch job on the validator. The validator downloads all the maps, finds all the modes, calls a batch job to get the asset version for every map, has the information, sends it back to the back end releases the maps. So it's cut off. Who did this? Where release? Where did it go? Here it is. Okay, so stop. So this is the release final step. So instead of this, we send it over here. We're like, and it's like nets release submissions. Yeah. And then I have to actually do stuff. Validated. Yes. Okay. What did I call it? Something interesting? No, request. Okay. ID list. Okay. So I'm doing something kind of like that. Release schedule. But also info, it's like, okay, shh. It's everything. It's the release schedule and the stuff that it's release info. I don't know. Release set. It's a set of information needed. I don't know. What do I have? I have the code. Who did this? It's over here. Validated controller. Okay, we have bing bong. Okay, we're just gonna slap it on the bottom. Release. What? Where is this? Action. What? Really? Release submission is just in the middle. Audit comment. Create. Real? Create. I think create is above it. Surely, right? Submission upload. Release. Create. Accepted. Oh my god. Okay. What a mess. Okay, what's going on? Okay. Audit checklist. Who cares? Create. Set status uploaded. Set status failed. Okay, so it's after uploaded you release. So we can put it right here. Cool. Okay, why did it do that? Don't do that. Okay, so it's gonna do something. Okay, save. Okay, okay. Gnats. What? Oh. Wait, what? Right. Right. Because of the whole you can't use destruct, otherwise it sucks thing. Oh, this sucks. Big time. Big time sucks. Sucks. If your eyes are starting to hurt, I just need glasses. I don't know why you say that. A lot of people think I'm tired. Like when I just woke up. How crazy is my hair? Oh, it's not crazy at all. Okay, so we need Nat's model. Upload submission, upload mapfix. Release submission, release mapfix. Real. Yes, we do care. We do care. Okay. Oh, jeez. I need that number. Okay. Nuts! Okay, so release submission. It's kind of like that, but then we actually have a big batch. Batch. Release. Batch release submissions request. And then is this the schedule? Is this the set? Is it the list? Missions. Perfect. Is that it? Oh, there's no thing in this programming language. Okay. Something. Oh my god. Okay. I forgot the date. Should I call it release date? Scabity, right? So let's go together. There is no release date for the mapfix. It's just whenever you press the button. Yeah. The data wouldn't be stored anywhere. I guess it's in the right, but you can't access it. You can't load it. God, Roblox just not there. Just doesn't have what's needed. Okay, there's Nats. Nats mapfix. I need another one of these. Validate. Upload? What? Why is upload before validate? Am I trolling? Developer. This is... I literally have to make new things everywhere. Plummet through the entire system. Release. Mapfix. Release. Upload. Release. Hail. What is this? That's not real. Release mapfix. Is this real? Mapfix model target. I think that's all it needs. So then what would happen? The validator would download this specific version of the model. Calculate the modes. Okay, actually it needs target asset version? No, no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, something. Map fixes targeting the same map are not allowed in the pipeline at the same time, so it should be impossible for the version to update. You can't have two map fixes for the same map in flight at the same time. So I can like implicitly avoid this problem because there's like implicitly a global lock on the asset when this happens. So I don't need to specify which asset version it is because it's implicitly the latest one because that's how it works. Lucky, I don't like it, but okay, I didn't actually realize that before. So I have a before and after check for the model version ID, but like no one should have access to upload the maps. They might, they could, but they shouldn't. And I can like expect that I'm not gonna upload new versions of the maps and stuff. And I guess you guys have access to staging. You could technically overwrite the maps and like break the whole system. It's kind of like DOM type stuff where like you don't know for sure that you're the only actor, the only agent manipulating information. And unlike Rust, where you know, no, that's not true. We're dealing with a remote database, being Roblox, so we can't have like what is it called? Okay, it's not a unique reference. Shared reference, unique reference. Is it a unique reference? people. Oh my god, okay. Shut up. I'm dead. How do I reverse it? God. Oh, it's not even the last one. God. Exclusive. Okay, it's an exclusive reference. I got it before I got here. Immutable, mutable. Exclusive reference. Shared reference. Okay. We can't take an exclusive reference to the data where we want to manipulate. We can't just like hold this reference while the mapfix pipeline and like make sure no one else can touch this data. We're not allowed to do that. That's not like normal for API stuff. It's a little bit crazy, actually. Imagine if you could do that. You could totally model that. You could do like, as long as everywhere is Rust, you could totally model that. Because like, it's not really different from a thread. A process running on a different computer is not that different from a thread on the same computer. Well, I guess it doesn't have access to the same memory, but like, you can deal with like, you can like give an exclusive reference to someone somewhere else. It would kind of be a little bit stupid and tricky, but I don't know, maybe it'd be good. Oh god. Oh, a lot of bean at the bottom. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I implicitly don't need the target asset ID. Upload. Why is upload in front of validate? That's so dumb. Upload. Release. Submission. Freaking batch release submissions. Gobble. Help. Batch release submissions. Can you have underscores? I don't even know. Alright. This is a type safety failure. I don't care. I don't care. What even is this language? Seriously? Okay. Okay, what's up? This is fixed. Oh my god. This is a map fix. Okay. Alright, submissions equals to who did this? Make. Okay. Freaking nats dot release. What? Model dot nats. What? Oh, it's not namespaced. Alright. That's what I get for not using Rust. Ugh. Oh, Schnapple. Oh. I guess this still works as a check before I start transacting. Set every submission to releasing. Okay. Status.
Yep, yep, yep.
Construct batch release nats message. Is everything I need? No, it's not. Okay, that's okay. Ugh. Alright. Great. How many freaking... Yeah, I guess. Okay. Request. Okay. Release info. Okay. Shut. Request. I. Dot. Type. Okay. Date. Okay. Oh, am I stupid? No. Model ID. I need another one. Is that real? Are you real? What is this? Is it asset ID? Oh, it's validated. God. Version. Okay. Great. That's a Golang moment if I ever saw one. Oh, that lines up nicely. Okay. Boom. And that should do it. Except I need a comma for some reason. Nets. Batch release submissions. Dot date. Is it freaking release date? Time. Okay. So, okay. Oh, okay. Cool. Okay. I'm doing like everything here, so this is like back end. Make release endpoints. Internals, I guess. Is it mapfix release? Kind of. Pipeline. Okay. New code. Okay, what the? Right. Wow, I suck. Okay. Okay, how do you do the thing? There it is. So yeah, okay. Oh. Wait, I didn't save this. Why did it appear that I did? Alright, I'm gonna whip this. Okay. So yeah, okay. Keep going, keep going. I am like not halfway done yet. There's a lot of work to do. Basically, boom. You see? This is basically what's going to happen right here. This is going to be like, oh, I have the information. I have the information. That's what's going to happen here. I guess I should like slap. Let's say like, oh, I guess this is 0. I'll make it underlined so that I don't miss it. Okay. So now I have to go and make a protobuf. Ooh, a little protobuf. Okay, so protobufs are below. It's part of this ding dong mapfix submission, huh? Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. I don't think I need to list this. I think I can do this type situation. Set status released. This type situation. I think that'll work. Oh, I don't get syntax highlighting. Unlucky. 6. Oh. Okay, who did this? Submission create. Help. Uploaded. Okay, boom. Okay, so it's like, what up, what up? Status released. Okay, and then do we care? I don't think so. Release date. Oh, yo. Okay, this is all the stuff. Hold up. Okay. So no range. Nah. We're just gonna do it one at a time. And if there's an error, unlucky. Release submission. Wait. Oh. Yo. Okay, so it's set status released. That's how it's gonna work. Very nice. I love it. Bing bong. Okay. Status uploaded. Oh. Status released. Okay. Nice. Right. So I have to. It's gonna go ding, ding, ding. I guess it doesn't. There. Very interesting. Bespoke endpoint. Okay. See ya, sucker. Okay. Gonna leave that code. Ooh, how many? Ooh, okay, what? Status released. There is 3 more informations, or maybe 2 more informations. What's going on? Validator controller, asset version, and modes. Yeah, submitter, asset version modes. All of those. So okay. So I need every single field. Load count is implicitly 0. Oh my. Okay, so this is. Uh-oh. Wait. It's different. Both. It's different. It's different. Okay. That's okay. Okay, it's gonna be a. Okay, it's basically this. Oh, it's exactly this. Oh snap. Whoa, it is actually literally this. Okay, how do you like load other? How do you do like this? Times. Servers? Users. How do you do like this? There it is. There we go. So literally, oh, this is mapfix. Literally, I want this down here, and then this is just. Oh, you're done. There's not a release date or anything. You're not creating anything. Oh no, that's not true. Mapfix release last. Type situation. So we're I can add that if I need to. This doesn't exist. Okay. This is 32. Interesting. So, yeah, it's literally map create. It's a proxy for map create. But it also has to set the status to released. And then this one, it's not proxying. I could remove. I think I should remove the proxy.
Yep.
And that's on God. Okay. Good. I am gonna put things together first. He said confidently. What is this called? What's the stream title? Metadata maintenance. I had another idea. Maps maintenance. Ugh. Mapfix release. Yeah. Validator. Release points. Dedicated. Okay. Something like this. I'll open it. I guess. Yeah. What does this do? It's the things. Oh, the work continues. Thought I was done. But here I am, out here doing it properly. Did we get this? Let's go. Null key is configured. Okay. Wait, I have my mistake. Is that allowed? Okay. What are we working on here? It's kind of complex. Basically, I want to load the right version of the map and know which version you're playing. So, it's a speedrun game, right? I'm assuming you know what game it is. So when there is a map update, you have the old version and the new version. Maybe players were like going out of bounds in the map, and that's patched up in the new version, and you can no longer do that. So what would be nice is if, as soon as the map updates, the game, when you get a time on the old map, the game goes, oh, that's on the old map. You're not allowed to get times on the old map because there's a new version, and it'll like reject times if there's servers with the map still open. Everything you work on is complex. That's where I like to live. That's true. Um, yeah, so that's kind of what's going on, but Roblox makes that really difficult because in order to load a specific version of the map, you can only use a version ID that you can only get from in-game. So I can't like use like APIs and stuff and like get version 1, version 2, version 3. Or well, I can, but that doesn't work. That number doesn't work when you try to load a specific version in game. You can't say, "Hey game, load version 3." It doesn't work. You have to have the load asset version number. So there's an internal and external version number that are totally incompatible and totally unusable inside and outside the place. It's horrible. But Roblox has this like new API that you can run Lua code in a place that will technically work around the issue. So I'm jumping through all 300 hoops to like strong arm this into my code to get it to do this, to do the extra 10 steps and the 8 new failure modes, and oh my god, it's like, what a mess. Alright, I am going to do this because that's what I did. Okay. Is this your main source of income? No, I actually have 2 Roblox games making that money now. Good. Okay, this is good. Good. Oh, I was making the pull request. Okay. How do I describe this? I'm gonna steal this. Okay, so that's submission of master. So it's like what does this do? Um, uh, these endpoints proxy the creation and updation of maps extended entries, while also updating the relevant submission mapfix status. Nice, good description. Updation. Okay. So I'm removing this guy right here. Boom, gone. Boom, and it's gonna directly do it instead of doing it stupidly. I didn't save. And then this code gets moved to release. It's a new thing. It's a new thing. Ah. Okay. Okay. Set status uploaded. Okay. It's gonna be like exactly like this, but completely different. All right. Duplicate. Yes. And then release mapfix. Release me. Release the mapfix. Okay, what? So this is no. 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 Yes. 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 What? Oh, that was totally wrong. Ew, wow, that was super wrong. No. 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 Mapfixes dot set status released. And then we have these numbers. The numbers are real. Let's go. And then type situation what? JSON. Huh? 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 Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Release. Sure. Sure, okay. Why is upload above validate? Oh, is it UV? Oh, okay. Release. So this is actually batch release. Batch. Shut. Dude. Release submissions. And then release submissions batch. Sure, okay. Type situation. Release. Release. Batch. Release submissions. Ooh, batch release submissions. Ooh. And then something. Oh. Really? Okay, this is called mapfix release. But maybe it should be called release mapfix. Okay, please look at the code. Here. Submitted. What? Mapfix create. Mapfix release. Create mapfix create. What? Wait. Oh, it's here. Oh, okay. Okay, it's not related. Okay. Okay, let's compare. Nats. Is that it? Ooh. Jones Girls is over. This is so sad. $93. I think we ended here. Okay, so I need this type situation. It gets owned. Okay. Okay. This is type situation, release date, Nats types. So submission ID. Cool. We don't have model name, it's actually something else. Okay. Oh my god, okay. So this is the batch release submissions request, and we go like submissions, boom, 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 boom. Except this is vector. Yay. Okay. Oh, this is mapfix, so it is target. So actually, we don't care. Note that only one mapfix can be active per map, so it's theoretically impossible to for the map to be updated by under our feet. Unexpectedly. This means that the incremental asset version does not need to be checked before and after the load asset version is checked. Okay, so then we don't need this error version mismatch because we're out here gaming. Let's go. So this is release info. Wow, wow, wow. Type situation. How the hell? What is going on? Oh, it's like this.
Obviously.
Okay. This is not real. Okay, what's going on? Oh, am I stupid? No. Okay. What is this supposed to be? API action. Wait. Oh, that's gotta be it. Okay. Oh. Okay. Add Um, that's wrong. Okay, so front end and back end, or not front end, the validator and back end are both. Oh yeah, I need to make a front end as well. Oh my. So there's no button on submissions to release, but the need the undo button, the like help I'm crazy button. Where is this mapfix ID page? Is that real? Yes. Okay. So the things are handled elsewhere. Components, review buttons. So okay, it says release, reset releasing, but release does not appear for. Do I have a? Is there a bool? How do you know? Type equals submission. Okay. Okay. Okay, so how do I do this? Is submitter status equals submitting? Is submitter? No, it has to be has role, review role. Okay, has role. Upload role. So there's also release role. God damn it. Okay, and then this is upload for some reason. Is this real? Yeah, okay. Okay, buttons for review, buttons for upload. Jesus, buttons for release. Review actions, release. Okay. 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 Does that get it correct? Okay. What is that? Okay. Um. Um. So. Oh wow. So this is only for submission or other. Um. So there's only a release button for. Wait, really? TypeScript, you need to have the open bracket? That's insane. Okay. Mapfix. Uh, Submissions do not have a release button. Which is good God. Oh my God. Okay, I'm not even gonna try. Triple equal sign. Right. I'm gonna just write it. Or just make it so it doesn't suck. Okay, did I do it? Maybe. Okay. Okay. Okay, so maybe that's done. Who knows? Probably doesn't work, but whatever. For whatever JavaScript reason. Okay, I have to write code. More. Do you work full time when you're not working on behalf? I do not have any other job. I don't have a full time job. Okay, so let's check this. Params. So it's going to be everything from. Effectively, I'm unemployed. But you could also say that I'm an independent contractor. Or like an entrepreneur or something. I just like have B-Hop Roblox game and Scream Stream Roblox game, and I can choose to work on them or not work on them. It's great. Ugh. Wait, this is mapfix create. Hold up. Wait a minute. Submission release is literally this. I can literally model this. All the other information is implicit. Let's go. Okay, so boom, boom, dot boom. ID? Okay. Okay. We're talking. Date. Okay. Time. Type situation. You know what it is. Okay. Params.id. Uploaded update to released. No, that's not correct. Releasing to released. Oh crap. Wait. Oh, no, yeah, no, that's it. Update status to released. Create map. Boom! Okay. Whoa! No errors. Okay. Is that everything? Yo, okay. Okay, so this is no longer whip. Backend, make it. Right, but I'm missing the endpoint. And it'll kill me when I update it. It's okay. Good job, Mr. Chandler. So, submission map bap. So I need the GURP. So is it good? I don't know. Let's see. Set release. So I need this type situation. Mapfix is set released or something. Set status. Boom. It's like this guy. Yeah. Released. Oi. And then roll value change that from releasing to released. And then that's real. That does it. That does it. Create audit event action. Released. That's it. Released. So this is a new endpoint that doesn't exist here. Wait. Okay. We got him. Okay, that should do it. So what mapfix ID? Wait. Am I stupid? Yes. Okay, so I also need to update the map validator dot what mapfix release request surely. Is it called a, what did I do? It's this guy. Mapfix release request, who do I ID? Should it be mapfix ID? Did I do that anywhere? Mapfix create. ID. No. Okay. So that matches all the other code. Okay. So it is ID. I'm saying ha, it's released. And then I'm updating Gabinga. So it's a map update service dot map update type situation, and then map update dot set asset version params dot asset version type situation, then params dot modes. And then do it. And then we do svc dot inner dot map update map. That's the one. CTX. The ID is that one. Oh. And then that is that. And then we also have to grab that error. Grab that error. Update map error. Ooh, error. That's it. Update map. Wow. So update. This is the stream title. Metadata maintenance. He said it. Roll credits. Oh. Right. Okay. So submissions is creating it. This is just maintaining it. Okay. But like, it doesn't do anything right now when it creates it. It's all like zeros. I don't know. That doesn't really count it as maintenance, I guess. What's the difference between vsense mul and vsense? So vsense mul is like horizontal to vertical. It's like 1.0 is you have the same horizontal as vertical. And then like 2.0 is like it's vertically, it's probably like 0.5. You have half as much vertical sensitivity as horizontal sensitivity. And then the idea is that if you change your horizontal sensitivity, it scales with the vertical sensitivity scales with it, so you don't have to set them separately. You can keep a ratio, and then only have to change one. But like I guess that's a little bit complicated, and like extra features. Oh. Okay, I have been called to action. I must go gaming. It is the way. Backend, mapfix, set status release. Metadata controller. Good. So these are both waiting for something else. Okay, so I'll write to do update publish proto buffs update. Okay, so that's for tomorrow. I'm ending the stream now because I'm gaming. I was just trying to figure out if I had the had what's needed to publish an interim update so that the maps can maintain themselves. But I think it just sucks, and my code sucks. I need to make this new feature, the change the way it works. I still need to do the migrate mapfix dot uploaded to mapfix. Okay, it's called like mapfix status released year. Cool. Okay. I write this down. Help. Okay, I'm gonna write it down. Wednesday. Boom, 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 boom.